learners! Welcome to another episode of Sci-Connect. I am Teacher CJ, your science teacher for today. Are you now ready to learn? Let us start! In this Grade 5 Science video lesson, we will talk about speed, distance, and time. Here is the learning competency. Describe the motion of an object by tracing and measuring its change in position or the distance traveled over a period of time. Before we start, answer this 5-item quiz. Choose the letter of the best answer and write your answers on your notebook. Number 1. You can pause the video if you need more time in answering. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Let us start with Activity 1. Examine the two pictures that will be flashed on the screen. You can pause the video if you need more time. Guide question number 1. Which of the two pictures show distance? Why? Number 2. Which of the two pictures show motion or movement? Why? Activity 2. Perform the activity. Here are the materials that you will need. Toy car or plastic ball, ruler, tape measure or meter stick, and timer with a second hand. You can use a clock or a watch. Part A. Determining the speed of an object. What you will do: 1. Select a flat surface inside your home. If the space is not enough, you may go outside your house. Be sure to follow precautionary measures. 2. Mark a starting point on the floor or the ground by writing 0 or drawing a line. Place the toy car or plastic ball on the line. 3. Gently push the toy with your hand. Observe how far it moved. Measure the distance it traveled using the ruler, meter stick or tape measure, and determine the time traveled until the toy car or ball stops rolling using your timer. Record the measurements in the table below. 4. Repeat the same procedures for step 3 for trials 2 and 3. Here is the table. Answer the following guide questions after you have performed the activity. 1. What can you say about the distance traveled by the toy car or plastic ball in the 3 trials? 2. Compare the time traveled by the toy car or plastic ball for the 3 trials. 3. How did you determine the speed of the toy car or plastic ball? Part B. Analyzing the speed of an object. What you will do: 1. Using the flat surface you used in Part A, mark a starting position A and an ending position B. Measure this distance and write the measurement in the table to be shown on the next slide. 2. Push the ball or toy car with different strengths for the 3 trials so that you will have 3 different time records for its travel. Write the time traveled in the table to be shown on the next slide. Answer the following guide questions after you have performed the activity. 1. Given that the ball or toy car traveled the same distance, in which trial did it have the fastest speed? Why did it have the fastest speed in that trial? 2. In which trial did it have the lowest speed? Why did it have the lowest speed in that trial? 3. What is speed? Keep this in mind. Speed shows how fast the motion of an object. It shows the relationship between distance reached by a moving object and the period of time spent. It has the formula of speed equals distance over time, or S equals D over T. Distance is the separation between things, places, or locations. It is the separation between positions of time and space. How far is your home from the school? Or how far is the church from your home? Distance is measured in metric units. We use meter for a shorter distance and kilometers for a farther distance. The length of an object moves through its motion is called the distance. Time is measured in terms of seconds, minutes, hours, days, or years. Assess what you have learned. Choose the letter of the best answer and write your answers on your notebook. Let us start. 1. You can pause the video if you need more time in answering. 2. 3. 4. 5. Here are the references. Congratulations learners for finishing the video lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning with me today. Remember, learning is fun with Sci-Connect.